Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the Laura Geller New York Bake Starter Kit, a trio designed to elevate your makeup routine. This kit includes the Baked Balance-n-Brighten Powder Foundation, the Best of the Best palette, and a retractable angled kabuki brush. Each component is crafted with care and promises a quality experience. Starting with the Baked Balance-n-Brighten Powder Foundation, this Italian-made foundation is known for its unique blend of pressed powders. It offers a natural, demi-matte finish that aims to create a perfect canvas without the heavy feeling that some foundations can leave behind. You can build your coverage to your liking, ensuring a flawless look without worrying about caking. Next up is the Best of the Best palette, which features a well-rounded selection of baked products. It includes 3 baked eyeshadows in neutral tones, a baked Bronze-n-Brighten in Tahitian Glow, 2 baked Natural Glow highlighters in French Vanilla and Portofino, and a baked Blush-n-Brighten in Pink Buttercream. This palette is all about versatility, catering to various makeup looks and occasions. Rounding out the kit is the Retractable Angled Kabuki Brush, a favorite among makeup artists for good reason. This brush is great for building coverage with both pressed and loose powders, making it a versatile addition to your makeup toolkit. Plus, its compact design means it's travel-friendly and perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. Now let's talk about my real-world testing experience. Setting up the kit was straightforward, and using each product was a delight. The foundation blended seamlessly into my skin, offering a light yet buildable coverage that felt weightless. During various scenarios, such as day-to-night transitions and outdoor events, the foundation held up beautifully. However, I noticed that those with oilier skin might want to set it with a powder to maintain its longevity. The palette was equally impressive. The eyeshadows glided on smoothly and blended well, while the highlighters provided a stunning glow without looking glittery. One thing to note is that the blush might need a bit more layering for those who prefer a bolder look. As for the pros and cons, let's start with the strengths. The foundation's weightless feel and buildable coverage are standout features, making it suitable for various skin types. The palette offers a fantastic selection of colors that can easily be mixed and matched for different looks. The kabuki brush is a practical addition, providing versatility and convenience. On the flip side, some users may find the blush less pigmented than expected, requiring more application for desired intensity. Additionally, while the palette is diverse, it might not cater to those who prefer vibrant colors or unique shades. In terms of value for money, the Laura Geller Baked Starter Kit offers a solid return on your investment. Given the quality of the products and the inclusion of a versatile brush, it feels like a worthwhile purchase, particularly for those new to makeup or looking to streamline their routine. When comparing this kit to similar products on the market, it stands out with its Italian craftsmanship and baked formulas. Many competitors offer either foundation or palettes, but not both in a coordinated kit like this one. Some alternatives exist, but they often lack the same level of versatility or quality. The build quality of the products is impressive. The foundation's pressed powders feel sturdy, while the palette's design is user-friendly. The kabuki brush is well constructed, and the retractable feature is a thoughtful touch for travel enthusiasts. There's no long-term reliability data yet, but initial impressions suggest these products are built to last. I didn't have any direct interactions with customer service, but Laura Geller has a good reputation in the beauty community, which often speaks to their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. So, what's the final verdict? The Laura Geller New York Bake Starter Kit showcases key strengths like the foundation's light texture, the palette's versatile color selection, and the practicality of the kabuki brush. While there are some areas for improvement, particularly with the blush pigmentation, it fulfills its claims effectively. This kit is ideal for anyone looking to enhance their makeup collection with high-quality, user-friendly products. If this review was useful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that other makeup enthusiasts can also find this video. Thank you for watching. If you're interested, the link to get this product can be found in the comments box below. Feel free to share your thoughts or ask questions if you already own the kit. Until next time, Keep it beautyistic, and remember, every day is a chance to glow.